Despite being released alongside other flagship phones such as the iPhone 14 Pro and the Samsung S22 Ultra, the Google Pixel 7 Pro has not gained the praise it deserves. Google's premium phone is not only an upgrade on its previous models, but offers some stunning features that several phones cannot match. In this video, we'll talk extensively about why the Google Pixel 7 Pro is very much underrated. Ready for it? Then let's get into it. Camera. The Pixel 7 Pro has a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel 5x optical telephoto, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back. For this lineup, Google decides to make some tweaks with regards to the infamous camera bar. Instead of the all-glass visor from the Pixel 6, the Pixel 7 Pro comes with a metal bar. Regarding the selfie camera, the phone has an improved 10.8 megapixel sensor camera on the front. The aforementioned features, in addition to the ability to shoot HDR videos, can make Pixel 7 Pro's camera setup a good one. In addition, Google has introduced an exclusive feature that helps users of the phone to edit blurred photos. Watch the video till the end to find out more details on that. Speaking of camera qualities, we certainly cannot ignore the improved shutter speed that comes with the Pixel 7 Pro. This certainly helps improve photography in particular moments. For instance, if your family member or friend is involved in a sporting activity, the use of the shutter speed will help you freeze some actions and help capture great moments on the field. Battery life and performance. The Google Pixel 7 Pro has a battery size of 5,000 amp hours and surpasses the 4,323 amp hours provided by some flagship phones, such as the iPhone Pro Max. According to Tom's Guide, the bigger battery helps the phone last for about 8 hours and 4 minutes within the day. Some tests run by Phone Arena on the batteries of the Google Pixel 7 Pro also shows that the phone is that powerful. For users who are in love with streaming content, the Pixel 7 Pro is said to last for about 9 hours 39 minutes, which is certainly a good return. When performing other functions such as surfing the internet, the phone can for as long as 14 hours and 19 minutes, while it can run for 4 hours 11 minutes when being used for 3D gaming. Performing these functions means that users need a decent brightness level, and the Google Pixel 7 Pro provides just that. More on that shortly. Getting such useful details before purchasing a phone is rare to come by, but you can get premium content for free on this channel. All you need to do is hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever a new video is released. Features. One key area that makes the Google Pixel Pro a standout as compared to other phones is the features that it comes with. Particularly on the software side, the phone boasts a number of cool features that are unrivaled. One of such features is the Photo Unblur. This feature allows users to pick blurry photos from their Google Photos and with the help of Google's AI, unblur them. It might not be perfect, but it surely is a great way of getting some images unblurred. Another cool feature is the inclusion of the speech-to-text feature in the phone. This is surely one that is not common, and its inclusion makes the Pixel 7 Pro a standout. With this feature, users can easily transcribe their text in the recording app with so much ease. This will be helpful for secretaries and executives who will be tasked with taking minutes during a meeting, or journalists who want to transcribe recorded interviews. In addition to transcribing text with speed, this feature is also accurate and able to add speaker labels to indicate the time that certain remarks were made. Another impressive feature that comes with the phone is that of the screen recording. While several phones have found a way of recording the audio version of calls, the Pixel 7 Pro has now found a way to add a screen recording. Speaking of calls, the phone again comes with a direct My Call feature that is super helpful in navigating automated phone call centers. Processor, storage, and display. In terms of processor, the Google Pixel 7 Pro runs on the Tensor chipset, which is co-developed by both Google and Samsung.
Amazing!
According to the company, the Pixel's newest powerful processor is custom built with Google AI and makes Pixel 7 Pro faster, more efficient, and more secure. When it comes to storage, the Pixel 7 Pro comes in 3 versions: a base version with 128GB storage, a 256GB version, and a 512GB model. This is in addition to the 12GB RAM that the phone comes with. A notable fact about the Pixel's display is the excellent peak brightness it offers. The phone is able to produce about 1,500 nits peak, which is fantastic for viewing content. In addition, the phone provides 2 display modes. The first is the high resolution, which is in 1080p, and a second called full resolution, which is in 1440p. It is quite clear that most of the intriguing features of the Google Pixel 7 Pro is as a result of smart software work from Google. One other company that is sure to offer exceptional features in its lineup is Apple. Watch our next video to find out which features are coming on the iPhone 15. See you soon!